Hi guys, and welcome to the 9th video in my series about how to know when to buy organizing products and what kinds to buy or not to buy. Click the I in the corner if you missed the intro. In this video, I am featuring door shoe organizers. Remember, you want to wait until the 6th step of organizing before you purchase organizing supplies. These have awesome uses for everything but shoes. The purpose of a door shoe organizer is to store shoes on a door. These are not meant to contain heavy items, and these should not be stuffed, as they are typically made of fabric or plastic that will tear. Also, you don't want to fill these with shoes just for the sake of filling them. You can contain other items in the other pockets, including scarves and other accessories. The best ways to use a door shoe organizer is to use a clear organizer on the back of a door where it is less conspicuous. This allows you to see all of your items at a glance, but still keep it out of sight when not needed. If you cannot hang this in an inconspicuous area, in order to prevent a cluttered appearance, you can streamline labels by inserting them into a clear organizer or attaching them with binder clips to an opaque organizer. Some unconventional ways to use a door shoe organizer can be to store tools in a small apartment. You definitely will want to use a much sturdier door shoe organizer option, which would probably be made of canvas material. A lot of us nowadays are using more camera equipment, and these allow you to see each and every accessory for your electronics and camera equipment at once. My favorite suggestion on how to use one of these is to place this on the back of your linen closet door so that you can have a whole other set of cleaning supplies upstairs and not have to worry about lugging a cleaning caddy up and down the stairs. You can even designate a specific cloth for a specific cleaner by placing them one on top of the other. This can also be great for a shared bathroom for a large family with limited bathrooms, or for a college dorm with a shared bathroom, etc. You can designate a row or column per person. In the kitchen, you can create a lunch prep or meal prep station with all of the little things to prep and package food. You can also create an office station to keep things handy, especially if you sort mail or pay bills or complete your kids' school paperwork in the kitchen. These are great for small spaces like apartments or condos with limited storage. These are also great for storing a variety of small items vertically that you would like to keep easily visible, like small packaged food items in the pantry or small toy collections in your child's room. First, as always, don't purchase more door shoe organizers than you need. Again, you will pare down your items to what you need before you purchase any organizing products in general. This can be a budget-friendly storage option, since it is the same as purchasing multiple small containers in one. As usual, I will have links to affordable versions of door shoe organizers on my blog. The direct link to the blog post is below. Don't forget to grab your free organizing resources below so that you can know if the use of door shoe organizers will be good solutions for your spaces. I have a lot more organizing products coming up, so be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can know the moment my next video is up and never miss another organizing video. Happy organizing!